If you want to use Reimagine on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is open the Photos app. Next, we're gonna choose a photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and we're gonna tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now we can tap on a subject, for example, or you can draw a shape around an area that you wish to reimagine, or you can brush the area as well. So in my case, I'm gonna tap on this cardioid that I have over here, and now we have the Reimagine option. So we're gonna select Reimagine, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and then at the bottom we can write the prompt. So let's say instead of this car toy, I actually want like, let's say blue motorbike or motorcycle, why not? Yeah. And let's press this arrow, and now we just need to wait a couple of seconds until the edit is done. And there we go, there was some sort of attempt. I don't think it looks that great, but of course we can switch to different options over here. It actually tried to like draw a car or something. I'm not sure why it didn't actually try to use a motorbike, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So if you are happy with your results, then of course we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner. Otherwise you can tap on X, or you can just I don't know, like undo these changes and so on and so forth. And of course remember to save your photo afterwards. So once the edit is applied, tap on Save as Copy in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.